Hey friends, if you wish to delete the windows.old folder from Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all the boxes here. Okay. And then click on OK and then click on delete files. Okay, this will not delete all of the files, but this is where we will start with it. Now search for disk cleanup once more and then open disk cleanup. Okay. Click on OK. Click on cleanup system files. Okay, it will start system files, Windows update files and Windows old files and everything, and then you're done with it. Okay, and then click on OK and leave it as it is. This will also delete the windows.old folder, which is in 99.9999% cases useless. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.